जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 4th chapter ज्ञानयोगम 28th श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्री कृष्ण परमात्मा giving his teachings to each and every one of us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that, "O Arjuna, karma yogis having a knowledge, a clear understanding about the difference between Atma and Shariram, having a clear understanding about Paramatma's different avatarams. With this jnanam running in their mind, they involve in different activities, and they transform their activities as service to Paramatma, so that those activities becomes yajnas, and those activities, those karmas would never cause any bondage to them." Arjuna, now I have been giving you different varieties of yajnas the karma yogis perform. Now few more different varieties of yajnas I am telling you. One is dravya yajna. That means these karma yogis, they make sure that every of their earnings are in a righteous way, and they spend those earnings in performing yajnas, in organizing homas, in giving away as charities. So this is dravya yajna. And some of the karma yogis involved in other yajna called as tapo yajna. Tapas means making sure the good thoughts always running in their mind. That is tapas. And also minimizing the comforts and pleasures in their day-to-day life is also known as tapas. Doing fastings on Ekadasi like this. So this is called tapo yajna. Some karma yogis perform this kind of yajna. And there is another kind of yajna, that is yoga yajna. Yoga yajna means thinking to go to Srirangam, Sri Venkatachalam, and thinking to be living over there, thinking to go to Ganga river, Kaveri, and all those Tirtha Yatras. They show very much of their interest in doing those things, and they crave to do those things. This is called yoga yajna. And another yajna, swadhyaya yajna. That means learning Vedas, learning Ramayanam, Bhagavatam, Bharatam, all these things. This is swadhyaya yajna. And there is another yajna called as jnana yajna. Learning the meanings of the Vedas, meanings of other scriptures like Ramayana, Bhagavata, Bharata. So this is how karma yogis involve in different yajnas and perform all those yajnas with all of their strong nishtha, resolution. Thus they attain moksham. Like this, Sri Krishna Paramatma describing different yajnas, having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, trying to practice those yajnas in our day-to-day life. Let us now repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Dravya yajnaha, tapo yajnaha, yoga yajnaha, tadha pare, swadhyaya jnana yajnascha, yatayaha samsitavrataha. Om As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me. Become my devotee. Keep on performing all your duties as my service. Keep on remembering the fact that you are my belonging and keep doing namaskaram to me. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam saranam vraja. Do not cry. Ma suchaha. Keep on remembering my teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Keep on sharing my teachings among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on meditating upon you. O Sriman Narayana, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on sharing your teachings among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam. Sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam. Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam. Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Maharshi. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam. Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava. Putreti tanmayataya taravo vineduhu. Tam sarvabhuta hrudayam Munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Sriman Narayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam Namaskritya Naranchaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam Dvitiya Skandham, Suta Maharshi discoursing to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Chaturmukha Brahma describing Sriman Narayana's avatarams to Narada Maharshi, saying that, O Narada, once upon a time, Atri Maharshi was doing a severe tapasya for santanam, seeking the children. Then at that time Sriman Narayana gave his darshanam to Atri Maharshi and said that I myself is going to be given to you as santanam, as child. That is how Paramatma himself became a child to Atri Maharshi. That is how he became Datta. Datto mayahamiti yad bhagavan sadattaha. He became Datta. Because he is the son of, child of Atri Maharshi, he became Atreya. That is how he became Dattatreya. He is named after Dattatreya. O Narada, with that Dattatreya's anugraham, yat pada pankaja paraga pavitra deha. By the grace of Dattatreya, there are so many kings like Haihaya and other kings. They got so much of wealth related to this world and related to upper world. Yogardhimapuhu ubhayim. They are blessed with several comforts and pleasures related to all the worlds, upper worlds and this world. Like that, with Dattatreya's anugraham, they got mukti also. Like this, Chaturmukha Brahma continuing giving the description of Srimannarayana's avatarams to Narada Maharshi. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Slokas from Mukundamala Stotram. Baddhena Anjalina Natena Sirasa Gatraihi Saromodgamaihi Kanthena Svaragadgadena Nayanena Udgirna Bashpambuna Nityam Tvaccharanaravinda Dhyana Amruta Asvadinam Asmakam Sarasiruhaksha Satatam Sampadyatam Jeevitam. Krishna rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishnena marasatravo vinihataha Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 4th chapter 28th sloka. Dravya yajñāha tapo yajñāha yoga yajñāha tadha pare svadhyaya jnana yajñāscha yatayaha samsitavrataha. Dravya yajñāha tapo yajñāha yoga yajñāstadha pare svadhyaya jnana yajñāscha yatayas samsitavrataha. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.